Hello! In this video I will show you how to change search engine into custom one on Hotwav W11. So you have to start by opening your internet browser and then click on your search bar, and you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this example I will use yap.com. And now you have to search something using your custom search engine. Now click here on this button, then click on settings and click on search engine. And in recently visited you should have now yap.com option, so you can select that and then you can click back, and as you can see my search engine is now set to Yap. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.